Hello friends, let us now start with bending moment for cantilever beam subjected to point load. Let us consider this cantilever beam AB of span 2.5 meter length is subjected to 3 point loads, 3 kilonewton at free end B, 2 kilonewton at 1 meter from B and 1 kilonewton situated at 1 meter from fixed end A. We have already solved this problem for shear force calculation, but now let us study once again for bending moment calculation. Same example we have solved for shear force. Now see, already I have told that this cantilever beam problem is very much simple problem as compared to simply supported beam, because reaction is at only one end RA. See here, we can easily calculate reaction. No reaction at free end. So let us calculate reaction using equilibrium identity summation Fy equal to 0. Applying summation Fy equal to 0, Ra minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, Ra is equal to 6 kilonewton. Now, let us recall how we have drawn this shear force diagram. You have to solve this problem for at least shear force 6 kilonewton at A, straight line till point C, 6 minus 1, 5 kilonewton, straight line after 5 up to 2 kilonewton force, then 5 minus 2 kilonewton, so it is 3, and a straight line up to point B, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now, let us see bending moment. Before starting, let us recall the sign convention. I have written here sign convention. If clockwise towards left of the beam section or anti-clockwise towards right is positive, anti-clockwise towards left of beam or clockwise towards right of beam is negative. Now friends, for this cantilever there is only one reaction. So, do not start from point C or D as we have started in simply supported beam, but start with point B. Here bending moment is 0 because no support reaction. So, bending moment at B must be 0, and then calculate for D, and then calculate for C, and then calculate for A. At A, there must be a maximum bending moment for this cantilever portion or cantilever section of beam. Now, let us start with bending moment calculation. At free end B, as I have told you, at free end no any force towards right. So, at free end B, moment at B equal to 0. At point D, now let us see this diagram, only one force towards right and clockwise moment at right. So, take this clockwise moment towards right. So, 3 into 1 minus, because clockwise moment towards right is negative, minus 3 into 1. So, minus 3. Second, at point C, two forces are there, D and B. So, minus 3 into 1.5, because clockwise at right is negative. So, this is clockwise moment, minus 3 into 1.5, this minus 3 into 1.5, minus 2 into 0.5, minus 2 into 0.5 is nothing but minus 5.5 kilonewton meter. So at point C, minus 3 into 1.5 minus 2 into 0.5, so it is minus 5.5. Don't forget that for cantilever beam, you have to start from free end only and then go leftward. At point A is maximum bending moment. Take all the three forces. All forces are towards right. So minus 3 into 2.5 minus 2 into 1.5. See, minus 3 into 2.5 minus 2 into 1.5 minus 1 into 1. So it is nothing but 11.5. Now let us locate these 3 points. All are minus. One thing should be clear in your mind, that for cantilever beam, mostly the bending moment diagram is towards negative part of x-axis. So let us start. Locate this at free end 0. At point D, let us take projections of faint line projections of C and D. A already we have taken. So at free end B it is 0. At point D minus 3, just I am locating minus 3 here. At point C minus 5.5, so here minus 5.5, and at A minus 11.5, minus 11.5. So we have located these 3 points. As all these 3 forces are point loads, so joining with inclined straight line, these 3 points, we will get a bending moment diagram. This is nothing but our bending moment diagram for this problem. This problem is board problem which is asked in MSBT exam for 4 marks. You will have to first solve, see the algorithm, first solve RA, which is very simple algorithmic calculation, then shear force diagram, very simple, and then bending moment diagram, solve from free end. So this is nothing but, this one is SFD, the above one is SFD, and this is BMD, and this is maximum bending moment. Okay, so this is what is shear force bending moment problem. Already we have solved this problem for shear force, but now we are calculating combined for SFD as well as BMD. So this is very simple problem. I recommend you to solve at least 3 problems for cantilever beam with point load. In next lecture, we will study the cantilever beam with UDL and a combined point load. Okay, fine. So solve at least 3 problems in tutorials and submit it to me.